for somebody who's listening to this, who is thinking they might want to join, but they're feeling apprehensive about being in a group environment, or they're feeling apprehensive about spending the money on themselves, what would you say to them now, having kind of gone through it for yourself?
For me, I did think about the money, but I'm so glad that I did it. It was, well worth it. I've never had, I've never had such a long period of feeling comfortable about what I'm eating for a long, long time.
Mm-hmm.
And so that was really worthwhile. And being in the group environment was, it was helpful that it was small. I didn't feel intimidated. I'm usually a pretty shy person. I usually don't speak up much, but with that environment, it was easy to do.
Yeah.
And it was good to get perspective from other people and not just be stuck in my own thoughts. Same thoughts I've been having for 50 years. It's good to hear from other people. So
I love that. Yeah. Yeah. And that's the thing we don't realize. Our minds become prisons that we're stuck in if we don't get out. And often, like I said, it's almost impossible to do by yourself, because all that your mind keeps wanting to go to is everything it's already said, everything it's already done. So you almost have to bring another person in to say, oh, I'm hearing what you're saying, but and even with you and your, I think it was your apple fritters or apple tarts, or you had a treat.
Yeah, apple tart.
Yeah, one of the things you said to me at the beginning was, I can't have anything in my house that's a treat. And then as you and I kept talking, you're like, oh, but these one apple things I can have in my house and I don't binge on them. And I'm like, well, wait a minute. Both can't be true, right? You can't say I can't absolutely have nothing in the house, but then I have this thing. And maybe for years you really believe that about yourself. Like, okay, I never can have any treat type foods in the house, but yet you can, and sometimes just that little glimmer of seeing things differently can open up all new doors.
Right.